Begin by settling yourself in a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Let your body be supported by the surface beneath you. If you'd like, close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a gentle breath out through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel your shoulders release and drop. Let your hands soften. Let your attention drift to this moment. Notice the quiet around you, the softness of the air, the feeling of your body resting. Let the thoughts of your day pass by like clouds moving across an evening sky. There's nothing to hold on to. Bring to mind one gentle intention for the night. It might be, I allow myself to rest. I welcome sleep. It's safe to let go. Take a few more slow, easy breaths. When you're ready, let your breath return to its natural rhythm and continue on toward peaceful rest.